All right, follow me. I'll take you to the spot. Wish I had a DJI drone. A DJI drone would be perfect here. Or just any DJI drone, really.
No, I was saying, is that the little one?
Mm-hmm.
What you doing? Oh, looking at that capitalism?
Mm-hmm. Not just that. Yeah, I need a DJI drone too. We know what happened here. Oh, these were cut down actually. The foliage. Some what?
Some off. And think about that. How many mosquitoes?
True. And they do be biting.
I haven't thought about mosquitoes and off in so long. But I guess I haven't really been like going out like that. Are you gonna fly over that lake?
Yeah, sometime. Nah, it's this open field.
By the lake?
Nah, it's not by the lake.
Nature, I'll fight you with one hand behind another.
Perfect. Oh, this is what you're talking about?
The field station.
Oh no, actually this ain't, yeah, this is it.
It's just really overgrown.
Yeah, this is. But there's another spot down there. Here, come get that in shot. Just look straight down there.
Yeah, that's by the lake.
Yeah. Let's go over there. Well, actually, this might be better, huh? This is secluded. Yeah, this is fine.
You can put it down there to start.
Yeah, this is fine. Cool.
And still get some pretty good shots. Not a lot of trees over here too, so that'll be clear for you to go up.
Yeah, this is a good spot. And no one will really come here and disturb us too.
This would have been cool for skydiving.
What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't worry, it'll be there next time.
Are you really gonna go next one?
Yeah. You coming too, right?
Yeah, I already got my trip paid for. Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's channel. Today we're doing some FPV flying at the Houston Arboretum. It's gonna be quite a challenge for Scotty today.
Throttle warning.
You're showing the terrain.
Because we're in the wilderness.
See how it goes, though. I'll lose my quad because it would not be very fun flying or finding this there.
No, you guys can't see it from here, but to the right, there's a small pond. I'm sure you guys will see it. I'll try to get some shots for you. But hopefully all equipment is working properly today, because
Definitely
if it goes down...
Yeah, I'm losing this one. Yeah, this one's getting lost for real.
Rip.
Yeah, hopefully it goes well. I don't want to lose my quad. That's not fun. That's not fun, guys.
Yeah, and there's a lot of water out here today. In case you guys aren't familiar with Houston, the weather has been...
It's for you if you wanna. You can set it down right here if you want. Whatever.
The weather has been miserable, so everything's wet right now.
Alright, you get out the way, babe.
Here we go.
We got visual, perfect. Whew. I'm nervous about this one. It'll be fine. Nothing to fear. Just open terrain. Decent sky. Out here, nature.
Lots of mosquitoes.
Lots of mosquitoes. Turn the brightness up. This is nice.
I guess the signal thing is good.
Yeah, I'm getting some breakup in my video feed though, but it's not terrible. But yeah, the signal is doing okay. But it's my goggles that's pooping the sheets now though. Didn't really think about landing, man.
There's a little spot right here. It's wet out there. Don't do it out there. I think that's too far out.
Whew.
Nice,
Right.
solid thud.
That works. Yeah, that works. All right, so that'll be shown in the HD feed. Man, so as I was flying that one, my goggles were getting a little foggy on the inside. I need to get ones with a fan inside, because yeah, that's annoying. But yeah, my goggle feed was tripping. I wanted to step up as I was flying, like come out here, but it's so weird to be in the thing and then start walking. Like
Yeah.
I had an episode of that because I'm covered by this thing up top.
Gives you some vertigo.
Yeah, I need some. You said don't land where? Right there?
Yeah, because like you can kind of see the puddles, like it's
yeah.
really wet out there.
Yeah, good call. I think I landed in a pretty good spot right here.
Yeah, it did. Or like over here, but you'd have to be super low because you don't want to hit those tree limbs coming in.
Yeah. Pretty nice spot. Were you looking on that thing or not?
No.
You weren't?
I don't like seeing the...
Really? No. Put it up there.
It's not my thing.
We'll move on to a different spot. Further down. First flight. That was fun. Let's continue on the trail.
accidentally got my foot in the water. Ew. I just wanted to touch the lily pad. Oddly satisfying. A turtle. Oh no, I'm sorry. Come back. Oh, another one. Hi.
Stand by me, please. Are you standing by me?
Nope.
Feeling it, man.
All right.
Can you stand directly behind me? Thank you.
Are you trying to land?
I am. I'm not very good at it.
Nope, 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 nope. Come back. All right. Perfect.
Oh, that's hard. Whew.
You did it.
Whew, goodness. That shit was scary. Getting like bad breakup and oh my goodness. That was fun. Yeah, not the most ideal environment, but the clips on that is gonna be very nice. High five.
You know that the best way to ensure you always high five somebody is to look at their elbow when you do it. And you never miss. Life hacks. You all done?
Yeah.
All right. See you later, guys.